Okay, so finding the value of this one. So you have already found the value that it's 0, right? You use the calculator. So we are using calculator. How can we do this? What is the first idea? Always before taking your pen, you have to think about what I'm going to do next. So, what did we learn? Can we tell?
Cos 40 degrees. 140.
Of course, you want to see if you can somehow use some of the rules that are given here. Cos A plus B. Cos A plus cos B, but there is root 3, so you cannot use that, right?
Yes.
Cos A plus sine, we do not have that. So therefore, we cannot use that. Therefore, what can be done is by changing cos 140. Right? So cos 140 can be written as
Cos 90 plus
cos 90 plus 50. That's the thing. This is the beauty of these periodic functions, because their value keeps on repeating. Alright. Alright. So now, cos 90 plus 50. That is to say, 90 plus 50 lies in the second quadrant, right? The second quadrant here. And 90 means it's odd multiple of 90. Therefore, its cos changes into sine. 50, right? Cos 90 plus theta equals to sine theta, isn't it?
No.
Cos changes into
minus
sine
theta.
Sorry, minus sine. Minus comes from the fact that cos is negative in the
Second quadrant.
So here, therefore minus plus
Sine 10. Root 3 plus root 3 cos 70.
Now sine A minus sine B can be used, isn't it? It looks like sine A minus
Yes.
sine B. So we are going to use
Sine A minus sine A.
2 times cos A plus B by 2 A plus B by 2 times sine
A minus B divided by 2. 50 minus 10 divided
no
by
background talk please. Root 3 cos 70 2 times. So this is
cos 30. 30.
hey, what's the talk about? You have a question?
Yes.
What's the question?
The sign minus.
Here, minus. No, but I'm using sine A minus sine sine A minus sine B here.
Another 50. That's a 10 minus 50 हुन्छ
10
भनेर.
plus 50 and that's 10 minus 15 भनेर.
अनि उ हुन्छ त्यो.
Cos A plus B.
50 लाई A मान्ने हो नि.
A is 10, right? Okay.
Yes.
Right. Excellent. Good observation. Good observation. 10 minus 50. Yes. Very good. So, cos 30 sine.
Sine minus 20. Minus 20. Plus root 3 cos 70. Root 3 cos 30. Root 3 sine 20.
Root 3
divided 2.
Oh, now this is very good.
I should.
Times
Sine
minus theta.
Sine minus theta equals minus sine theta.
Minus sine theta. Right?
Yes.
Sine theta and sine minus theta and minus sine theta, they are equal. So minus
Sine theta.
minus sine 20.
Plus.
So this is multiplication, okay? Multiplication. Don't think that we are going to subtract these two. Root 3 cos 70.
1 equals root 3 cos root 3 root 3 common I have.
Root 3 what? Sine 20
Sine 20
plus root 3 cos 70.
Root
What's the
3,
relation between 20 and 70?
90 minus 20.
70 plus 20 is 90. So 20 can be written as 20 can be written as
Sine
90 minus 70.
70.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Plus root 3 cos 70. The good thing about it is
Root 3.
root 3 Sine 90 minus theta is, it gets changed into
Nine-
cos
Cos
theta, and the sine is, sine is positive in the first quadrant. This is in the first quadrant, right? So that's fine.
plus root 3 cos 70. Or root 3 like common unit.
So
minus
minus root 3 cos 70,
cos 70 plus root 3 cos 70 0.
Kotta ठुलो आलु.
Shunya. Make sense?
Yes.
So what are the techniques that we have used here? What are the things that we need to know?
First-
One, we need to
First
get
we
knowledge of it.
change cos 140 degree into cos
So the first
90
thing
plus.
is to be aware where trigonometric functions are positive and negative. When it's an odd multiple of 90, sine changes into cos, cos changes into sine, and so on, right?
Yes.
And then to be able to change sum into product. Here it's sum, it changes into product, isn't it? And then finally you come to the relation between 20 and 70. You should be able to see how 20 can be converted into 70 using this relation. 90 minus 70 is 20. And you know what sine 90 minus 70 is. So that gives you the option, the answer, sorry. So that's how you solve this.